Hey guys, welcome to a new episode this week of Southern Fried Tech. This week we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing video on this cool little Google Nest Mini. So, backstory: I managed to get this for free, and yeah, I've never had an assistant. Well, I've had the chance to play around with the Amazon Dot Echo, I think it's what it's called, but I don't really have any personal experience with these things. So, without much further ado, let's open this sucker up and see what we get inside. Alright, shouldn't be too bad. I will say this is a really nice box. Right? So what does this say? Turn up the music. It's a speaker. You can use it with other speakers. You can control TVs, lights, thermostats, and other smart devices. Make calls, set timers. Yeah. Okay, we can look at... I guess we can listen to YouTube music on here and Spotify. Well, good thing I just got rid of my Spotify account, right? Sorry, I'm an Amazon music kind of guy. YouTube music is cool too. Google Calendar, probably not gonna use that. Google Maps, I kind of got that on my phone. The one I am kind of interested is the Google Duo, because I was under the assumption that I could just I could just make a phone call from, I guess, like the phone assistant on my phone, the phone application. But, can't complain. This is I believe it's the charcoal edition, unless it's the sky. But let's see what's inside the box. Okay, we have the actual speaker itself. Okay, so I believe this is the power. You got the physical mute slider for the microphone. Nothing else on the side. And on the back here we have this little slot here to actually hang this on the wall. Probably won't be doing that. I'm not really sure if I want to hang this thing. The base is pretty rubbery. It does feel pretty nice. It's not gonna slide around. And the top is this nice feltish material. So I'll put it here on the MacBook. It doesn't really slide unless, I guess, if you push it hard enough, but it's not going anywhere on its own. Alright, let's see what else we get inside the box. Okay, what do we have here? Or maybe I was supposed to open that first. Oh. Okay, so guess following that we have the charger. Right, just a simple US charger. I will say it is pretty nice. One thing I've read, so I looked up once I got the email that this was shipping, I kind of looked it up online, and I guess the first generation of this had USB-C or micro USB, one or the other. But this has its own little proprietary port, which, it's fine, whatever. But I guess it would have been useful to have USB-C or something in case the charger ever goes bad. But what can you do, right? Let me put that there. What else do we have in the box? We have a manual of some sort. So getting started. Oh, okay. So this is just a very simple, very simple getting started menu. Or manual, I apologize. Okay. And I believe that's it. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. So, this is day one of this. I'm going to shoot this video over a couple of days. This is day one. I'm going to get him set up. Pull up the Google Home application on my phone, and we'll try it out. Alright, stay tuned. Hey guys, so welcome back to part 2. So I already got this set up, got the wiring ready. I got this random Android phone here set up with Google Home, Amazon, and YouTube Music. So let's plug it in, see what happens. Anything?
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of this device. The mic's back on.
Okay. So we're going to set it up. Let's see. Home nickname. We're going to say home. Don't want to put my address on there. Location needed. That's fine. Yep. Turn on Bluetooth. Turn on. Allow. Nest Mini found. Yes. We got blue lights. Connected. Yes, I heard the sound. Additional legal terms. I agree. Sure, I'll help it fix it. Where's this device? We're gonna say bedroom. Next, custom room. Bedroom name is fine. Connected to my Wi-Fi. You save passwords. Yes. It's connecting to my Wi-Fi network, which, let's see. Let's see if this works. Connected. There we go. So supposedly what this will do is that I can use this device without, if I don't have my phone around me or whatnot, which is what I sort of understood. So yeah, the usual Google knows everything about you. Sure. Okay. Voice match. Okay, hold on. Okay, sorry, quick jump cut there. It's just setting up voice match, and I didn't want to say saving audio. Nah, not now. I agree.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Sorry about that jump cut there. Heard somebody knocking on my door. Turns out it was just my dog. Anyway, we're gonna keep it at voice one. Don't want to link it to SiriusXM, not now. Okay, so it's asking me what default music service. So when you ask the assistant to play music, it will automatically play from this service. So the only options I have are YouTube Music, Google Play Music, Spotify, Pandora, and Deezer. Okay, so we'll do YouTube Music for now. Link video services. Not now. Link live TV. Not now. I don't want to set up the voice right now. Stay in the know. No thanks. Okay. Sure, let's learn about our Nest Mini. Okay, I guess that's supposed to raise the volume. And mic switch. Let's explore what we can do.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. It's great to meet you. There are a lot of ways I can help you get things done. Let's try a few, or if you already know your way around, just say, I'm done.
I'm done.
First, we'll play a short music clip. Say, hey, and then Google, and ask me to play your favorite artist.
Stop.
No problem. If you'd like to do the tutorial again, just say, start the tutorial.
Sorry, that might get me sued.
I don't understand.
Play YouTube music.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
Ah, this is weird. I thought it would work, but maybe not. Oh, Google, play some royalty-free music on YouTube Music.
Sure, check out this royalty-free music station on YouTube Music.
There we go. Gets pretty loud. You know, it's no complaints here. And as for reference, I do have this LG Bluetooth speaker, which is my usual go-to. It's low on volume. Oh, it died. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, that's enough. So we got the music functionality wise, but now I'm curious about something like Amazon Music. Again, royalty free music. We're gonna do cast bedroom speaker. Will this work? Oh my god, wow. So supposedly, like, I mean, it said on the screen it didn't show Amazon Music, although that would make sense. They're not going to advertise their competitor, but this is sweet. Okay, cool. So, okay, so this is pretty cool. What else were we able to do? Let's see. Okay, set an appointment to release this video on Friday.
At what time?
Midnight.
Okay, to release this video on Friday at midnight. Do you want to save that?
Yes.
Sure, I saved your event.
Sweet. Thank you, Google. Thank you. I guess she's shy. Well, and a couple other things that I would like to take a look at it. Supposedly, you can't control your smart home with this system. I don't have any of the like Philips Hue like it says here on the box or the GE. Oh, my dog decided to pay a visit. But I do have this system, this Hive, and apparently this is like early smart home integration, and I do have some light bulbs. So if I could use this to set up a little like LED area, that would be pretty cool. But that'll be for a future video. So thanks for watching, and for the meantime, that's going to be it on this little guy. But I'll keep testing him. Maybe give him a month or so just to see how I like, and I'll give a more in-depth review. But this is just a no, you hush. This is just a quick little unboxing, quick little setup guide, and hopefully this is the start to a good future with our Google overlords. And as always, leave a like, subscribe, comment. If you like something, if you have any ideas what I could do with this thing, let me know, and I'll be more than glad to read them. Again, thank you for watching.